Hello, good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, wherever you are joining me at this hour. This video, we're going to review Invest Data Invest 2024 stock picks for investors that participated in Invest 2024 that was held on the 2nd of December 2023. Yes, today is the 10th day, of the month of November. Market closed on the Friday, which was on the 8th, while reviewing the performance of two stock picks that were given to investors that attended the Invest 2025 Invest Data Annual Summit for Traders and Investors, where 1 year investment window position are taken. And within that 1 year position, you can achieve the target for within a month, 2 months, which this year 2024, most of our picks for that investment 2024 are the first month, second month of the year have already hit our target. But looking at the general market and as it is from the chart and an event that unfolded in the year 2024 so far, I see that market have remained bullish, which the chart here can show you already that the market has been on a bullish run right from the beginning of the year. Despite the recent correction we are seeing in the market, I will say that yes, market have been on the up direction from year 2023. You can see that the year 2024 started from the chart, and I'm using a daily chart to discuss this first before we go to the table. Look at the chart here. You can see this trend, because the good thing of technical analysis is that it tells you about the past performance and also the present. We have seen a trend in the index performance. Start from 2020, see that the market have been an uptrend despite the oscillation that we have seen, which is the beauty of the market anywhere in the world. No market remains stable in the up direction. This volatility that we see or oscillation creates opportunity to buy low and sell, which is the essence of an investment. If the asset price is not moving, it's not called investment any longer, because you are there for you to buy low and sell high. Either you are doing any form of investment, it is for acquisition of what of the asset, and that is why price of goods and services goes up and down. Also in equity investment, because price is king, and that is what we trade, and that is what reflects what on the index. You can see how the market move all the way to, all the way to this point. As you speak now, if you kind of we can see that the market has been in up and down movement, which is due at the market. But as we speak now, recently market has been on correction move, but we are seeing a trigger of the market trying to go up. This formation we are seeing at this point in time is a sign that the market is resisting decline, which you the money flow after then looking up gradually. This is on a daily chart. But the good thing is that market has remained bullish by all standards, looking at what the year-to-date performance, which is about 30.04% year-to-date, which is above the 20% that said this is a bullish market. When it's 20% down, that confirms it was a bearish market. Now, NGS year-to-date have returned good for investors. Individual stock, I'm talking of index above 30. This is an individual stock on the exchange that have created wealth for investors. And that is why for the past 5 years post COVID-19, I've seen an uptrend. And those that have followed us in different, for our seminars, especially the investment world, they've all smiled to the bank because of what the period they have taken have yielded what a yielded result. Yes, if you look at this chart now, this on the weekly, on the daily chart, we quickly move to the chart to see. You can see the chart performance also on a weekly chart. You can see the trend on the market from 2024. You can see also that that's also an uptrend. This is an uptrend. The market is also bullish because the index action is above what above the trend line. If you take a trend line like here, only you will see all these channels that tell that this is a bullish channel. You are seeing a bullish channel. If you take a trend line from here to all this point, it's also confirm what the market is still what on the uptrend on the weekly chart. Also, if you look at also on a monthly chart, the same thing. That's why I was saying in terms of correction. But because of the first of the first month of the year, January, you can see that what the market did here. Okay, the second month of the year, what was February, you can see what the market did. Starting from January, you can see that market they have not the market correction have not taken out this which was appreciation or the price movement in this stock. Which when we go to the table to see the stock is it is a sign that yes, we have seen kind of government policy impacting the market Also, the same government policies also have put the economy, in a situation that yes, most of the companies that are posting positive results, most of the companies that are quoted on the exchange that are posting positive results is reflecting the impact of what general price increase in the economy as a result of what high inflation, as a result of what high high exchange rate at the same time, high what high cost of energy in the economy because of reforms that are going, which are keep the economy in a good situation, while the market have disconnected from that economic situation to remain in the green. As company on this thing also have posted the positive number, which at the end of the day, they pointed that investors are likely to see a positive dividend, which is a reflection of what the number we have seen in Q1, Q2, Q3 of this company that are on the exchange. But on a monthly chart, you can also see that markets are also oscillating. Yet even getting the peak of almost 106 index and above. But now market is around the 97 index that can come back to around 99 this recently coming back. But market are giving us sign on the kind of candlestick formation on the weekly chart. Now let me quickly go there. And the monthly chart says that the market is resisting this kind decline, and which is what we call a bullish hammer that is ahead of the new week and ahead of also the month of Santa Claus rally, which is December, and also the month of non-traditional investor taking position for the end of the year and also reshuffling for end of the year. It's a sign already that as market is going to decline on a weekly chart, on a monthly chart, it's a sign that yes, market is set for another move. Depending on market forces and sentiment at the week market open, in the new week tomorrow. But looking at the weekly chart, I've said earlier, also if you look at the daily chart, which is also a leading chart that in the time frame, because we have multiple time frames to look at. Only tell you that markets are strengthening to go up again. That from Monday we also confirm the trend is so what's next and break out this red one, which is the T line. That is a new trend we are seeing entirely. We must understand this market, and also after market have formed a double top, a double bottom, almost a triple bottom. I can see here, and here. It's a triple bottom market as you can see. Also come down here. I see that this another strong support level, which the market did not touch, but it touched here, which is also a resistance level that turned support. You can see the acceleration that touched support at this point. I see the market have reversed. For me, this is for a daily chart that I've said. But if you look at all the time frame, daily, weekly, and monthly, we are seeing a positive trend in the market. The market trying to work to reverse, which is also a good thing. But if you go further to look at what the quarterly time frame, we have seen the monthly. Look at quarterly time frame. You can see on quarterly value market for the last 3 quarters after the first quarter, we seen that the last 2 quarters has been on a downtrend. But trying to resist decline, you can see that the same pattern we saw for the last quarter. That's also we are seeing already. Market try to remain in the board. This sign shows that market is trading above the T line. It's sign on a quarterly basis, and also MACD remain positive, which for me is a good one for the market. But if you look at on a yearly chart, which is also very very important, because as I speak now, we're talking of what Investor 24 performance. If you look at Investor 24, you can see that for the past 5 years, time is post COVID-19, I've seen the market has remained up. And in this, like I said earlier, if you look at this 2024, market have tested the high of what of 106,088 index, which is far above what we are seeing today. But I believe that the market has potential to also come to this level in 2025 and surpass it. And that's why as we're preparing for investment 25, I tell investors that this is also time to take another position. Why? We have seen that the market, even from January, there has been an uptrend, and market is also performing outside the economy. But you need to also understand that at this point, as an investor or trader, you must know why you are in the market. That's why you must pay attention to all this. It's very, very important for us as investors. That's why I'm bringing all these ones to see the trend. After 2018, 2019 market correction, we saw an uptrend for almost 5 years now. That trend is likely to continue, in 2025. But this is time for investors also to make informed decision on stock. That's why you must join. Why I say must, if you really want to create wealth in 2025, Invest 2025 is another seminar or summit that you should not miss. Why? This one, in 2025 Traders and Investors Summit, professionals are there to review a lot of things to you as investors and the traders in the market. Yes, quick one, really go to see what is the chart saying. I mean, the table. This is very, very important. This is, in Invest 2024 performance so far. Now, the event was held on the 2nd of December 2023, and this is the price of our stock picks for what for that the last 30 days for that, which was the 1st of December. These are the price. This is the highest the price I've gotten so far. Since then to date, is the price I've gotten. That means if since then you decide to have sell off with high price, you are good. But we're taking a price as at what? As at 8th of November, which is was on Friday, and what has returned. So far, I'll tell you, out of the 15 stocks that were picked, yeah, it's called 10 golden stocks because other 5 are shown for us to say watch, also take for defensive stocks. But if you look at this performance, out of the 15 golden stocks were picked, only 2 are in negative. Fine. Yes, you can see that the Transcorp was consulted. Even though the entire Transcorp at the day, the price it has gone as high as what as 20 naira. It's kobo before pulling back to 11.10, which was rotated to what to 44 naira 20 kobo. Even though you are still there, you are still in profit. Even though when your share have reduced, but also your price the price have gone up, you are still in profit. That you can see that giving you a whole 500 almost 600% return for year to date. Let's start from the top. Look at the Dangote, which was the first in that peak. For year to date, they return negative of 46, which we are still holding because the price after since this date the highest gotten is what is that is the highest. I mean, that is the 50-week high that's gotten so far, in stock. And what is the current market price for those that have sold? After that, you can see, what we have made. But you can see those that have still holding. You can see where the price is. For those that bought at this price, it got as high before started coming down. You can see here, the movement. This is what it is today. That's what Friday, what we have returned. But ETI also, that was one of the stock that was picked also in this category. That's like the price was 17 naira, such as 80 today. That Friday, what is the return? Nowhere in the market, across the globe, where you are making year to date, even if you are taking a yearly position, you are getting all this return. They celebrated the matured economy, but despite inflation, consider is above it. Altogether, we'll come back to see the average return of this portfolio and also the market year to date. Consider the portfolio is far ahead of almost 3 times what the market has done. That is why we must be in this coming Invest 2025. You look at Mansard, that no price at 24 now. That thought aside today as we speak, Friday close at this what we have returned almost 29, which you can say is below inflation. But I'll tell you, dividend and the addition you have earned more than this. Access Bank, Access Corp also 18 naira, thought aside. So if you have exited at this price, you have better off. And these are within the period. We're just saying is the highest so far you have gotten from that day or terminal to date. That means you have opportunity to, like I said, you can make big profit in within 1 month since our target, because we have a target in those prices, in those stocks that were picked in that event. And many participants will also testify to this. As they see this video, you can also make comment anywhere you are. And I see that when you see this video, as make comment, people also be preparing to be part of the comment Invest 2025. If you look at also Transcorp, I've said earlier, you look at UBA as at this date, look at the price of 21, and they can got as high as 35 naira, 40 5 kobo. You can see the current price on Friday is what is 31. That means year to date it has returned more than that be the market performance. You can see how many of them have been the market performance here. ETI, Access Corp, Transcorp, UBA, then Zenith Bank on its own year to date a return also like 20%. As at December 1st, the price of this stock is about 35 naira. That's gotten as high of 47. First, closing final price is at Friday was 42. Yeah, many also it has returned within this period 20%. The also interesting is the Julius Berger. As at this date of the training of the event was at 34 naira 80 kobo, that touched as high as 172.50, and also as at Friday, that is the price, and they returned almost 400% return. You can see it here, in the table. Also, FTMB 6 naira, just as high as 12.14, and still as at 5.9 naira. 50 kobo also return 30. So it's also above inflation. Also, UCAP can say that UCAP at the beginning of the year is almost 17 naira at the beginning of the month of December 2023, and also I've gone as high as 42 naira 90 kobo, and as a result of what the bonus of 2 for 1, and also the 90 kobo, it got at this level. But to speak now, after markdown with the crypto number is still around there, just marginally up, above 4.37. And you can see NACO has been consistent. For those that have been following me for the past 3 years, can see when NACO was as low as 6 naira, 7 naira, was by NACO. For those that I can see, as at Invest 2024, you can see that for 24 naira, it has gotten as high as 39, which is the peak. Also, that is what it closed. You can see it return, almost a double of inflation. What is also 2 points that this if you are buying and holding without moving anywhere, you can see the position what you are now. And also Steplat, for those also that participated, Steplat price was 2,310.10 kobo. It has gone as high as 5,738 naira 20 kobo. Why as of Friday, this end at 5,007, can return 100 and almost 150% year. That's at now. Let me see year to date. Looking at the period of Invest 2024, the date of Friday, the November 8th. I also custodian Cornerstone Insurance at 4 naira 44, 1 naira 44 kobo, got as well as 2 naira 90 kobo, and as to speak, as the last Friday is 2 naira 49 kobo. I returned 72, but this is almost 30 times, almost 30 times, what inflation is today. And this insurance, that's just the positive sentiment for insurance remain, and those that are taking advantage of it also will be in the class, also going to share where you should be. You should pitch in your tent for the year 2025. This Conhol also at the time of the training was also, the summit was 1 naira 26 kobo, and has gotten as high as 1 naira 94, and also closed on Friday at returned 34% above inflation. And also dividend income included for police microfinance, which NPF microfinance. You can see that it's also the one that is negative with what these are only 2 stock out of 15 stock for the year for Invest 2024 Summit. For those that are preparing, I think for all those that are already paying money, I'll tell you, we are in for another year that also gets smart to the bank. And if you look down here on the average, you can see that average return for this portfolio for those that participated that just bought this, we are already having 100%. From that day to date. It will be a year now on the 1st of 22nd of December, but already you're having a 94.67% and above what the NGS have returned year to date. If you further go down in this direction to see other years, that means if you are followers, you can see for 2023 investment 2023, the stock performance was 127.110% above market return as at the date was completed in November 2023. You can see also can see that in 2022 the same trend positive market return as at that time was above what the portfolio return. Also in 2021 you can see that our market return, our peaks also had a 50.31, while the market return then was 6.07. In 2020, you can see that the market or our return was 37.80, while the market had a 50%. You can see the returns here. But for 2019, that is where the market was down because of COVID-19. Still, our portfolio is better than what the market return. Despite that, I have a negative 9.10, and the market has what 14.6%. You can see that these are the recent years, the past 5 years performance of Invest 20. Or our annual program that comes every year. Every new year before we enter the year, we'll have a program where professionals, expert traders, come to share their expectation for what they are seeing, what they're expecting, and also prepare that. That's why we prepare you that day to prepare to see what the year will look like, and also start positioning ahead of it for every investment against the future. This is what I will say, and I look forward to see you in the next comment. Figures don't like we have seen it here, and as we look forward to see you, I think it's the time for us to have another forecast where you also be particular and also smile to the bank. I look forward to see you. Tell your friends, share it, associate online, click and share to your friends to prepare for another event, 20 Invest 2025 Traders and Investors Summit, where we have more than 8 to 10 speakers that will be sharing in different fields. We're looking at the real estate, we're looking at the NSD, OTC market, we're looking at the commodity market, we're looking at the different fundamental analysis, we're looking at technical analysis, we're looking at fixed income. All investment windows will be shared so that the one that suits you, you can take advantage of it. And I tell you, the one that you understand, you can also to position, because like I said, every investment is again the future. The early, if you buy early, if you also know when to cash early, buy low and sell high. If we start entering the new year, what are the catalysts that also will drive the year? We need to enter early before those things, because all those that will drive the market or the price of this stuff will be discussed. Also, don't forget that it is a program that have a 10 years investment opportunity. Also have a effect of five years ending for how we take advantage of all this to make informed. I will tell you, for data available, I should us that every five years we have seen impressive market performance starting from 1995, 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015, 2020, and also looking at that. That means in 2005, market returning almost above 15, about 18.70% for 1995. In 2000, 2000 market return about 52.9%. In 2005, 3.4% positive. In 2010, 18.93%. While in 2015 market had a negative. That is where the economy had about 3 years, 2014, 2015, to reflect the economy, and also the period that the market entered into the economy entered into recession. And that is here you saw that they have a negative 17.63%. And in 2020, so that market is about 50.0, 50.0. We have seen what we're looking forward to see in 2025 is what we're going to discuss now at this Invest 2025 Traders and Investors Summit. I look forward to see you all there as usual, and also as I said earlier, share this video for them to see that when you invest wisely, you smile to the bank. Thank you. See you at Invest 2025, December 7th, 2024.